If you're considering using Zendrop for your dropshipping business, it's important to understand their pricing and what you get with each plan. Let's break down Zendrop's plan so you know exactly what to expect before signing up. Zendrop offers a free plan, which is great for beginners just getting started. With this, you can import products, connect your Shopify store, and access basic automated fulfillment. It's enough to launch your store and start testing products, but it does come with limitations like no branded invoicing or access to their US products. Then there's the Pro Plan, which costs around $49 per month. This is where you start unlocking real benefits. You get faster shipping, access to US supply products, custom branding options, and the ability to use upsell funnels. It's made for people who are taking their store more seriously and want to scale with better customer experience. Finally, Zendrop offers a Plus or Select plan, which is more custom and designed for high volume sellers. This one comes with dedicated support, private sourcing, and a better fulfillment options, but it's only worth it if you are already making consistent sales at a higher level. Each plan gives you different levels of support and features, so the one you pick depends on where you are at in your business. If you're just starting, the free version is enough to learn the system and start testing. Once orders start coming in consistently, upgrading to Pro usually makes sense for better speed and control. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward dropshipping tips. And if you're using Zendrop already, let us know in the comments which plan you're on and how it's working for you.